Hello, parents. We want to welcome you to our virtual open house. Tic Tac Daycare is a part of your neighborhood since 2006. We have 4 different locations and 6 different classrooms. We will show you 4 infant classrooms and 2 preschool classrooms. As teachers, we believe we should give you the peace of mind that your child will develop emotionally, socially, physically, and intellectually. To make sure of it, we offer several different classes, activities, and interesting schedule. Right now, parents can visit our brand new location. Purple Room is located in 486 Smith Street. Purple Room is one of our infant classrooms, where we enroll children from age of 2 months up to 2 years and 6 months. However, at the moment, you can visit our infant classroom located in 109 Jereleman Street. In Yellow Room, we provide service for students from age of 2 months up to 2 years and 6 months. Each location has their own backyard where kids can enjoy their time outside. From Yellow Room, we will be looking at our preschool classroom. Blue Room, as well as Yellow Room, is located in 109 Jereleman Street. We provide enrollment to kids from age of 2 years up to 5 years old. Our mission is to make sure our children have an easier start in the future when it comes to their education. Orange Room is an infant classroom located in 251 Baltic Street. All our kids can enjoy our weekly music classes, French classes, yoga classes, and even sign language classes, which our youngest students enjoy the most. Pink Room is located in 279 Court Street, and it's one of your infant classrooms. We know the most important aspect of early education is to create an environment in which children can feel safe, solve problems, make discoveries, and think independently. Green Room, as well as Pink Room, is located in 279 Court Street. Green Room is a preschool location where we provide service for students from age of 2 years old up to 4 years and 6 months. In our preschool classroom, children get prepared for their next educational journey with confidence and peace of mind. If you would like to be a part of our Tic Tac family, please feel free to contact us at 917-698-6177 or email us at contact@tictacdaycare.com.